I'm taking my dog for a walk, and today I'm taking my camera and you guys with me. This is my dog, Nugat. He is 12 years old, so he's a senior. And we're taking you guys on a walk with us today. We just found a jay. Now he's watching us closely. That was nice. The jays here in this area are usually very shy. They fly away as soon as you spot them. At my parents' house though, it's the complete opposite. They get pretty close to the house and you can observe them very closely, unlike the jays here in the forest. So if you're actually interested in more Eurasian jay footage, then you should probably tune back in next week, because I'm going on a little trip to Luxembourg, and before I go there I will make a quick stop in Cologne at my parents' house, and I'm pretty confident that we will get to watch lots of jays. It rained here in Germany a couple of times last week, so the forest got really green all of the sudden. That was a beautiful photo. There was this gray tit down there that took a bath, but I was not quick enough, unfortunately. I can hear a bird calling in the distance. I'm not quite sure where it comes from. Might be a buzzard actually. So let's move in that direction. Maybe we can figure it out. Do you hear that? Do you hear that? I have to have my camera ready, just in case. What on earth? Usually buzzards in this area are really shy, so I don't think it's a buzzard, because otherwise it would have left already. What is that? I can't see it. It must be on the ground somewhere. Oh, it's a black woodpecker. So that moment with the black woodpecker was actually a bit difficult for me because there was an old lady that passed with her dog and our dogs wanted to play, and I couldn't really pay as much attention to the black woodpecker as I would have loved to. That lady started talking to me because there was also a great spotted woodpecker before. She didn't know the difference, so I gladly told her. Genau, genau, der sitzt da unten.
Ja, aber jetzt guckst du von da oben angucken.
Na, der sitzt unten auf dem Baumstamm. But multitasking isn't really a thing. So I couldn't keep an eye on the dog while talking to the lady while watching the woodpecker. That was chaotic, to be honest. Still glad I got a little bit of footage and a few photos, because that moment was pretty special. Seeing a black woodpecker that close and also close to the ground, you don't see that every day here. While I'm waiting for my dog, I actually see this blackbird right here on the tree. Kind of difficult to focus on it though, because there's so many branches. Oh, Mönchgrasmücke. Yes. Oh no. Oh no. I wasn't quick enough. I think in English they're called black caps. I haven't had the chance to photograph one this year, yet at least. Shoot, so many branches. That woodpecker over there is so quick. Nugat is actually a pretty chill dog. He's very friendly, loves people, but he's old. He doesn't have the same energy as he used to. But I think with 12 years, that's pretty understandable. Next week though, he's scheduled to have surgery because he's getting some of his teeth removed because of periodontitis. So I'm a bit nervous about that because, you know, of anesthesia and that stuff. Dir geht's gut, ja? Happy dog, happy life, I guess. I just found a female black cat. Oh no, there's also the male. Gosh, but they're so quick. Already gone again. It is so hard to focus on them. Those black caps were so quick. It was so hard to capture them. I think I only got one decent video of them without flying away right away. Oh, there's another song thrush. Nugat, warte. Pretty quick. Okay, now I have to be aware of the dog because that thrush is on the ground. Machst du mal Sitz? Das jetzt. Fein. He knows that that way is back home. Oh, no way. He's back. Now there are no other people around, no other dogs. Where's that black woodpecker? Now I've got time. Nugat, would you kindly move? Thank you. You just heard it too, right? Oh, I can hear it knocking. Nugat, please, I'm begging you. Oh, it is right there again. I can see it, but the angle is not very good. I can't get a clear view. He's over there in the distance by that tree stump again. I'm afraid if I move further in that direction, I'm gonna scare it away. Yeah, that might work out. Oh, it's a female. What's her business with that exact tree stump? Because this is the exact same place we were like, I don't know, 15 minutes ago where we saw the woodpecker the first time. I'm gonna try to walk around right here, but this stubborn little cow has to come to the other side for that because I don't want him to get too close. Yeah, good boy. She's lifting her head so quick I have barely time to focus. Isn't it fascinating how nature works? Like, I was a little bit bummed out that I couldn't really concentrate on the moment when I first saw that black woodpecker. And then I'm passing this spot again and he's or she is back again. And now I had a lot more time to enjoy the moment, concentrate on it, watch that bird without being distracted by other people or other dogs. That was pretty nice. So this is actually the place where I had breakfast with forest mice. This is where I sat down and watched all those mice right here. If you haven't seen that video yet, I highly recommend it because I had a great time watching those mice while drinking coffee. So I will put the link to the video somewhere in the corner right above me. And Maikäfer. Alright, this will be it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed taking a walk with me and my dog. And as always, I hope we will see each other again next time. Have a great day. Bye.